Hello friends, this is your girl Goldilocks here, and we are coming today with a fabulous Mardi Gras gift basket. So I know that gift baskets aren't really common for Mardi Gras, but I found all this really awesome stuff at Dollar Tree, so I said, hey, why not make a lit gift basket for Mardi Gras? Because yeah. So anyway, again, got all this stuff from Dollar Tree. There's going to be a haul video in the description if you want to go check out all the materials I got. But as you can see here, we got our cups for the drink. Need that. You got your aspirin because you're definitely getting the hangover after Mardi Gras. You need the poppers. So, we can get it popping. Eye drops because, yeah, completely necessary. Even got the shot glass for you. So, yeah, again, completely lit gift basket. It's gonna be awesome. Cannot wait. So while we're getting started, guys, please make sure you like the video, hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit that bell so you get all the notifications when I upload a new video. So yep, let's get this bad boy started. First things first, I'm using my beads to actually be like the bottom filler so that all my stuff doesn't sink down. I have a little plastic, or excuse me, I have like a little cardboard thing that comes with it when you buy it from the store. I'm gonna leave that on there so that my beads don't get tangled, and the rest of my stuff is gonna sit on top of them, which is awesome. I'm just stacking my cups here to give it a little bit of volume. That shot necklace that I have there, I'm gonna make sure I put that right in the middle of the cup so that it'll give it, a little bit of support so it doesn't fall over too easily. And then I'm gonna take like the remainder of my items and I'm just gonna put it around my cups. So yeah, to give it, some volume and to fit all my stuff in there. There's my eye drops, there's my aspirin and my poppers. I'm just gonna put the poppers on the opposite sides to give it like a little bit of balance. There's the aspirin. And yeah, it's actually coming together kind of cute. Like, I kind of like it. I like the way that it looks. And so it's going to be clear, so we want to give it some color. So we want to give it a little bit of color, guys. So I'm actually just going to take my lovely boa there. Yes, this is a Mardi Gras boa according to Dollar Tree. So I'm going to take my Mardi Gras boa and I'm just going to wrap it around my gift stuff here. As you can see, it's pretty, it's pretty solid. It's pretty stable for the most part. So that is good. We want a nice stable gift basket so not everything falls apart when we start, making it fancy and cute. And that's just how it's going to go. So when we put the plastic paper over it, yeah, it's going to, give it some pop, give it some color. So here we go. We're gonna put this plastic over it, or we're gonna measure out our plastic to make sure it's appropriate, and yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Alright guys, so now that we have, made the foundation of our gift basket, now we're going to add our bow, or a version of our bow. I'm just kind of winging it here. Obviously, I'm using the yellow rhinestone ribbon. Love rhinestone ribbon. Is my favorite thing. So this is my first time using like a yellow rhinestone ribbon, and I don't know, I feel like this basket wasn't quite suitable for a traditional bow, so I decided to remix it here and just kind of go with the flow. Right now I'm just tying this ribbon to the top here, and yeah, I kind of like what it's doing there. I'm loving it with that mask. So I think that's looking good, but I need a little bit more. I need a little bit more ribbon here. I don't know, what do you think? Yeah, let's add some more ribbon. So I'm actually just going to tie this second ribbon to the basket here, so it'll be ribbon on 4 sides. It's gonna look a little bit wonky, but I'm gonna secure it so it looks good. And then of course, you know, with these baskets, when you're doing DIY, you're gonna have to tweak them to make them look how you want. So let me add this second ribbon here, and we're just gonna kind of go with the flow and see where this bad boy takes us. All right. All right, so we have our ribbon secured here. I know it's looking a little bit wonky, but we'll eventually tweak and fix that so that it looks appropriate. But I just want to kind of see how it looks with our mask here. Love this mask. I think this mask instead of a bow was going to be absolutely amazing, and you'll see at the end I turned out to be right. And so all I'm going to do here is just tie the mask onto the bow. It actually ties like really well. You know, if you plan on having the person wear this mask that you're giving it to, or wearing the mask yourself, you know, don't make the knot too tight. Make it reasonable so you can like obviously take it off and use it. You don't want to ruin the mask in the process of creating the basket. You want it to be like usable, obviously, so just keep that in mind when you're securing the mask. If you decide to do this lovely gift basket or a version of it, yeah, just remember everything still needs to be usable, so just keep that in mind. So that's how we're looking so far. Yeah, looking good. So what I decided to do here is I actually decided that I wanted to glue like some of the rhinestone ribbon behind the eyes of the mask. Love that. Now, I think that turned out really good, but again, if you're planning to wear this mask, yeah, don't do that. You can just actually leave the basket there and just tweak your ribbon from this point. But I decided I wanted to do a little extra because, you know, I'm a little extra. So I decided to glue some of the ribbon behind the eye holes. And I'm also going to use some ribbon to kind of just cover up the back where the black ribbon is there. Yeah, because I just didn't like that. It just didn't go with the flow for me. But of course you can leave it. It's obviously fine. You can do with it what you wish, but I'm choosing to cover up because I just want to cover it up and I just want to add more ribbon. I'm just always looking for an excuse to add more ribbon, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going to take a little bit of hot glue and put it right there on the edge. Again, if you are not planning to wear this is fine, but if you are, probably want to skip this step. It's not really necessary. It's just kind of some extra stuff I'm doing to just jazz this bad boy up and just give it more sparkles. And again, guys, if you haven't already, please make sure you like the video and subscribe. And also, of course, make sure you watch the video all the way to the end so you can see the final product of this lovely basket. It's really coming together very well, and I think you're going to be really happy with how festive and appropriate this gift basket is going to look. All right, so now that we finished our top there, we're just gonna tweak these ribbons a little bit because I wasn't really feeling the first design. Got to make it a little bit cuter than it was, and I think this design kind of does the trick. I'm pulling the ribbons to the front instead of two in different directions, so I think it all worked out. I hope you guys liked it. Of course, if you do, please leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me if you tried this and it worked out for you. Hope you guys enjoy your Mardi Gras, and I will see you in the next one.